Hello Sushi Lovers, so warm welcome from Sushi Man Santosh. In this video I am gonna show you how to make crispy salmon sushi rolls. It's really delicious and extra crunchy with different textures and flavor. Okay, I have here sake, salmon. It is soyu, fermented soyu for the sushi. And I'm going to put salmon inside the soyu sauces so the flavor of the salmon will change. Also you can add little bit ginger powder and hondashi so it can give you different taste and rich textures of the umami. I will wait a little bit time, and here I have the dry tempura flour. I already made tempura butter, so here is the tempura butter you can see. And I have here the breadcrumb, it's called also Panko. Now time to make Panko. Firstly use tempura flour so it will be dry and it will be more crunchier in the deep fried time, and also it will stop to interboil inside the salmons. Then I'm gonna dip into the tempura butter and panko crust breadcrumb. It's same process about making deep fried sushi roll, but here I'm using the salmon. Okay guys, here you can see my panko salmon is ready to do deep fried. Wait till its color becomes golden brown and looks crispy. Nice, you can see the crunchiness and crusty. And I'll took out and make dry with the help of the pepper. Then after you can take 100 grams cooked sushi rice and place on the nori seaweed very carefully. Okay, here I am placing the rice on the rough side of the seaweed, and here I am putting cream cheese Philadelphia, and I will add a little bit slice of the avocado so the sushi roll will be crunchy, crispy, creamy and smooth. Put the fried crushed salmon in the middle of the sushi roll, then roll it very carefully with the help of the bamboo mat. Okay, here I am adding tiny cream cheese to secure the neta of the salmon and putting salmon neta on the top of the sushi roll. I already made video about how to cut salmon for sushi. You can click at the end of this video. I will add this video as a video card. Time to cut and make beautiful plating. You can see here the crispy salmons in the middle of sushi rolls. It looks like very beautiful and extra crunchy, extra crispy. I really hurry to bite it. Here I have fried crispy onion. It's called in Portuguese cebola frita. I'm gonna put on the top of the sushi roll so it will give the extra crunchy level and extra different textures. Okay, for the final touch I always love to put fine soft spring onions so the crispy salmon looks grainy and they give another level of the taste. Okay, finally here I am putting wasabi and ginger pickles for the sushi decoration ideas. I will add carrot sakura and carrot stars as you can see in the video. How to make carrot flowers and how to make carrot butterflies you can check link on my description box on the below. Finally, my beautiful and delicious crispy salmon sushi roll is ready to bite. If you want, you can add little Japanese mayonnaise or mayonnaise with kimchi mixed sauce as well for the final touch. How do you feel about this video, sushi lovers? Can you able to subscribe my YouTube channel please? Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.